Hello, welcome to Loader Company. Today, let me introduce this one Chang'an Stop cargo truck. We can look this is single cab, and the steering wheel on the left. This cargo truck made in 2025 years, and this is new cargo truck. It's Chinese brand Chang'an. We can look the total have 5 tires, include one spare tire. And this cargo truck, the wheelbase is 3.2 meters. It's 3.2 meters. And we can look the long back. It's a very good cargo truck. And this cargo truck, the price is very good. FOB Tianjin, $5,500. If you interested in this cargo truck, please contact me. Okay.